3D printed fan angle brackets. My new creative way to customize my PC builds. This is my build in the Phanteks NV9. It features an Optimus signature water block RYZEN 7 9800X 3D, an RTX 5080 Founders Edition graphics card. The top 120mm fans are ASUS, and the three bottom fans are Lian 140 reverse blade. I know what you're probably thinking. You're thinking that these are going to cause turbulence and high temperatures and bad airflow in the case. Well, you're wrong. It actually makes no difference. It might actually improve temperatures in the case, but it's not enough to be noticeable. Looks like our temperature there is 76°C, running at 100% right now. Our fan speeds are all on low. Looks like we're bouncing around at about 77.5, 77.6, running at 100% load on our multi-core test with Cinebench 2024. We're 75.3 degrees Fahrenheit in here. A lot of people were speculating that this was going to be a bad idea, but I'm not seeing any issue or problem with this. I am stress testing the GPU. Average FPS is 85 on a 4K monitor. Alright, just finished 20 loops on our 3D Mark stress test with the Steel Nomad. 75.1 degrees Celsius was our high. Our average temperature looks like about 73 right there. So far so good. I'm not seeing any issues with mounting the fans in these different angles.